Afishia pao, afishia pa. Afe enko metu yembiem. Nye nyina ya kuma hwehwe no. Afe akọ abetu yen. Yamfa na easy dear, but we have every reason to be grateful and thank God for a day like this. We started the year with a lot of people close to us, and some are far away, some we even know on social media, but they didn't make it today. And we are here. Because I said, there should be a reason for you to be happy today. For being alive is enough. For seeing today, it's enough. Some people were wishing they started this month with us to see today, but they couldn't make it. Just the grace. It's the grace, oh, the grace of God. We are grateful, God. So join me. Let's say thank you. Give me a amen and a thank you to God under the comment section, and let's all be grateful. See you in 2025, and we are going to see December 25th, 2025 and celebrate together. Merry Christmas.